Um, sorry, I did something to my finger. It hurts. Um, this video is a substitute for my other video I meant to upload. I promise I'll upload this video. I made a video and didn't upload it. And the video is okay for the internet, so I didn't upload it. This is win- winter storm, snowstorm, preparedness. I think I already made a video on these before, but I'm not sure, so I figured I'd make another one. So, preparedness for this snowstorm that was supposed to hit yesterday, and it hit pretty hard today. Today we weren't supposed to get any snow, and it looks like we got about 4 inches of snow already, and it's still coming down. And Thursday is supposed to be a really shitty day, a really bad snowy day. So things I do that you should do, that I think everybody should do, not just you. What I do, I prepare, especially in a house like I am right now that doesn't produce a lot of heat. That's why I'm wearing a Carhartt sweatshirt in my house. Not, I haven't got to the point where I need my big thick one. I'm using my insulated one because we don't have good heat, which is a bad thing. It doesn't help that the house is so old. The windows are outdated. But things I do to prepare for this winter storm. Winter storm. So over the weekend I was sick. And I got my first aid kit and I used some stuff in there. So of course the first thing I'm gonna do is get my first aid kit. I plan on getting another ammo kit, but get my first aid kit, open it up, and seeing I put everything back in there that I use. So, painkillers, do they need to be refilled? They look good. I'm the only one in the house that takes Advil. Now my roommate has his own first aid kit. I get upset stomach a lot. I like Pepto Gizmo, so with new bottles. So prescriptions, some allergy pills. Bandage wraps, it's not like a huge first aid kit like my one I carry. That's more of my source of where I go if I need a refill. So I got triple antibiotic, band-aids, some homemade bandage. Homemade bandage wraps can be easily made with white t-shirts. You just shred them until they look like bandage wraps, or however you want a bandage wrap to look like. That's gonna be loud. That's one of my first things. First things I do is check my first aid kit. My second thing is I make sure all my main tools that I'm going to use in the house are still in here. So, because like two of my main tools are here. Little hatchet, pry bar, little hammer, and then an actual hammer. This one's actually my knife one, but the only tool in here that would probably get used is the shark. Nothing pretty much get used in here. Probably like this too. These are all just things, knives I don't really use. I don't know what happened to all of them. But, no. I plan on doing something with this. Taking all these knives out and cleaning it because it looks kind of dirty. And probably use it for something else. Not sure what, but I'm gonna think of it. I do need to get some stuff for that seal. First ammo can that I showed you it was from Myers. The second one I showed you was from Afghanistan. My brother brought it home because he's a U.S. Marine. But anyways, another thing I wish I had a power cord for, but I'm still working on trying to find a power cord for it, but it's my CB radio. I know you gotta have a license for them, but if it was an emergency, I'm pretty sure you can be okay. There's some more medical stuff. Hydrogen peroxide, this stuff, magical. Or if you just want to use some alcohol. Flashlights. Make sure your flashlights are good. This one's kind of a low end flashlight. Kind of outdated because it's not LED. It's basically bulb. So more medical stuff. Flashlights, lanterns. Make sure they're all good. Make sure they work. I wish this was brighter. It's not. But make sure they all work. Surprisingly, it still works. It still is bright. But now, I'm just saying, you make some good stuff. I pretty sure I recently changed the batteries in here, but that was the only reason the recent reason I did that was because this was left on for like all night and it was still on. Pretty impressed. Things not to really worry about. It's like your body armor. I don't think you're gonna be shot at when it's below 10. Batteries are good to stock up on. I stocked up on 2 batteries. Because gonna have flashlights. flashlights that use them in double A's. Another good flashlight by Bushnell. I love Bushnell. Double A flashlight. Here's another battery. I only have one of these. They're expensive and hard to find, but they last forever. I don't know what just happened. My flashlight just turned on. Give me a second. Yeah, this is Pyramid CB radio. I don't think I showed these. Another thing you might want to consider getting is work gloves. So give me one more second. Alright, so we got, checking the vent over here, trying to figure out why it's blowing out cold air. Oh, there it goes, warming up. As I said, we all got good heat. Another thing to be good to stack up on. I'm a big fan of this radio. Yes, the antenna is small because it used to retract. I can't talk. But it just broke off. But it still works.
Innovative technology. Fashion emergency. We're gonna need a sewing machine and shoes. Lots of shoes. Ahead of time.
Irish Rebels from Burke, 6 o'clock at Clemson Sunday night. Gibbs with the basketball, the good one.
Copyright?
Bob Pfluger, top of the key.
And if you bring feminine hygiene.
Stop. Purdue 11 of 20 from the Point V Arcade.
I have it on certain spot. Oh my gosh, it does retract. Oh, still does. Does that mean?
February with hundreds and golden. Zipper. For. Apologist David.
For not being the son that you want.
Casters. Felt for him, but it's. You walk up because.
Wait, is it on this? It's
Big news. We made a 6% hard seltzer.
what AM?
And that's just wrecked, I think. Depressing situation.
helicopter? That's where I said one small for mankind, one leap. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. Oh, here we go. Here's the. Alright. I don't think I even told you. Good radio stockpile. Stockpile. Oh my god. Down stockpile right there. You know. I mean, if you want to, you can. But a good one is you can find it at Family Dollar. It's Westinghouse. West. God damn it. There. Love it. Comes with earbuds too, so if you wanted to. And it runs off double A's. Me like it. I do want to remove the sticker. It says do not remove this sticker. Oh yeah, I had it on AM. Oh. Good thing. 16 minutes and got nowhere good. Trying to think on where I left off. Radio. Okay, another thing to prepare is your coats. What's gonna be your trying to think of the word. You got 3 coats that you need to have on hand. Your one coat should be around the house. Sweatshirt. Second coat should be if you gotta go out and get the mail or something like that. You gotta do something outside that's real simple, real fast, and you're not gonna be out there very long. I would recommend this fucking jacket. Legendary Whitetails. Very, very nice. It's wool. Love it. This coat I also wear around the house. I tell people I don't like it. I do. So shh. And what I keep in the pockets is my first aid kit. And to be honest, try to read today on here. $12,320. Oh, that's a lot. Expiration is 2/21. I got 1 more year out of this until I have to get rid of this. If y'all don't know what's in here, there's gauze pads, bandage, alcohol swabs. If I knew how to take it out without ripping it. Right. Good container. I never opened it. First time opening it. And that's what. Oh god, you can't see. That's what it looks like inside. God, it's sad. What is it here? This is pretty nice. So it doesn't say nothing about the tape in here. At all. Does it? So there's things in here. Compress. There's a compress in here. What? I was there's a compress in here? Yeah, it's so dusty in here because I never used it. Uh-huh. Love it. In 21 minutes. I keep it in this bucket. Actually, not looking at it. I'm gonna keep it in the front pouch. Alright, so we're around the house coat, mail coat, and our and just our coat that if we need to go outside and go get food, excuse me, and we can't, wait a minute, if you can't drive, Little Caesars delivers. That's what I literally just burped. I can taste it. But if you had to walk to get some food, I would recommend a good coat. When I say good coat, I mean Carhartt. That's my patch. Nothing says I'm a man like a Carhartt. Nothing says I'll get the job done, motherfuckers. Like a Carhartt. Carhartt got many wears on it. And if you want a good hat, I'll go with this one. Trapper hat. Trapper hat. I think I said that right. Do I got the name on here? No, but it's polyester. Polyester? You like that? And I'm pretty sure you can have stuff as up here is where the Canadians keep their maple syrup. Just make sure pop up, kick me in the nuts. I really forgot where this video was going, to be honest. I've been so overloaded with so many things going on in my life. What is that supposed to be? A skull? I need Jesus. I need a drink. See ya.